Now, in other news, let's take you back to the county of Nairobi. Nairobi's Eastleigh area has earned its tag as a commercial hub. The area, however, is also fast earning another new tag, that of a dirty environment. KTN Zinzi Kibiku set out to establish claims that Eastleigh may well be one of the dirtiest locations, not only in the capital, Nairobi, but in the country.
This new road divides Eastleigh into two. It is barely a year old since construction. The state of the road has been overshadowed by the popularity of Eastleigh area as a shopping center.
Hapa Eastleigh tunajuaga ndio utapata na bei nafuu. Sasa ndio maana tumetoka Thika tumekuja hapa. Hapa hakuna kitu utakosa, kila kitu iko hapa.
I choose Eastleigh because Eastleigh is cheap and there is variety.
During Christmas, it is good. No complaining, no bargaining. People are just giving money. So I've made profits. Good one.
The Eastleigh area is known for two things. One, you can find everything here, from outfits to cosmetics to utensils. And number two, all that comes at a friendly price. And despite the booming aspect in this region, it comes at the price of one thing, and that's the state of the environment. But is it worth it?
Sasa mwenye amelia kazi ni serikali, sababu mbona watoi hiyo takataka wananchi wameweka. Juu utaacha biashara yako, uende utupe mali wanakuambia mataa uko chini. Hiyo ni ngumu. Mpaka tu serikali ilete hiyo kagari tuweke ndani ndio wapeleke mahali nitakani iwekwe.
Biashara ni mzuri, environment iko chafu. City Council inaonekana kama imesimama, kazi yao haijafanya mzuri.
There are those who believe that the residents must also take some responsibility in maintaining cleanliness in Eastleigh.
The sellers or the businessmen here should take responsibility and keep the environment clean. It's not a matter of waiting for the government to do anything for them. We are citizens of this country or this Eastleigh, and we are supposed to be responsible.
As Eastleigh continues to grow as a commercial hub, so does the mass of garbage. This does not only leave the environment vulnerable and unpleasant, but also comes with the risk of a range of diseases. Zinzi Kibiku, KTN News.